The Caribbean just became a high stakes chessboard, and the latest piece in play? A massive oil tanker named Bella 1. Well, according to the US Coast Guard, the naval is in active pursuit as it sails through the Caribbean on December 21st. Why? Because this tanker is allegedly linked to Iran and Hezbollah, and it is sanctioned by the US as well. Welcome, Bella One. Let me tell you the full drama here. This isn't just any cargo ship, it is a floating symbol of international tension. It is carrying oil designed for Venezuela, a country already under heavy US sanctions. It's linked to Iran and Hezbollah. It can make it a target in Washington eyes. And just days earlier, another tanker was seized in that particular region, showing the US is ramping up pressure on Venezuela's oil sector. Can you imagine this? A single ship carrying fuel now at the center of a geopolitical showdown. Then enters the US military with its F-35s. The drama does not end at the sea here. In Puerto Rico, the US military has been stepping up its presence with fighter jets, warships, in fact, support vessels moving in position. 20 F-35 fighter jets have reportedly been deployed, ready to respond if they are needed. Naval assets, they are visible throughout the entire region, creating a high alert scenario. Well, this buildup has analysis and regional officials on the edge, speculating about possible military action against Venezuela. Let me tell you what really happened so far here. The Bella 1 reportedly resisted attempts to stop it. The US Coast Guard is said to be tracking the vessel very closely using advanced surveillance and naval coordination. Can you think of this like a high octane thriller on the high seas? A tanker trying to evade capture, fighter jets circling overhead, Coast Guard ships in hot pursuit. Every move, it counts here and the world is watching. Now, let me tell you why this matters so much here. The US sanctions that targets Iranian-linked oil to cut off revenue for Hezbollah and Iran's influence. Then comes Venezuela, already under sanction, now facing more pressure on its oil exports. Then, military buildup. The deployment of the F-35s and naval assets, it signals serious readiness, not just rhetoric here. And finally, regional tension. Caribbean countries nearby, shipping lanes and global oil markets, they all will feel the impact here. Basically, in other words, a single tanker chase could have global complications and consequences. Well, here experts also say multiple scenarios are possible. The tanker is seized, adding another economic and political blow to Venezuela. The tanker escapes, but tensions remain sky high. Military confrontation, though analysts say that it is unlikely here, the presence of jets and naval forces is a clear warning. Every action is being scrutinized by the world because this is more than a tanker, right? It is a test of power, strategy, and influence.